Hi, I'm a landlord-tenant attorney in the state of Georgia, and I'm back with more advice for tenants. It's been a while since I last created a video, and I thank you to all of you who have been responding to my videos, asking questions. I apologize that I haven't gotten back to you, but I promise that I will try to respond to everybody's messages as quickly as I can now that I am back, and I apologize for being on hiatus, but I had some personal issues going on. My first video back I wanted to use to respond to a question that someone asked me quite a while ago, and it was about pet deposits and what landlords can do in terms of pets. And unfortunately, the short answer there is they can do pretty much whatever they want. There's no real law on the books that requires them to accept regular pets or sets any rules around how much they can charge you for pet deposits or pet rent. Having said that, there are a few exceptions to that rule. A minor one being that if your lease doesn't allow for changes to be made in the middle of a lease term, then they can't suddenly tell you to get rid of an animal that they previously in the lease allowed you to have. And that's why it's always important to read your lease and read these, important clauses and make sure that you understand them. But more importantly, a landlord cannot prevent you from having what's called a working animal. This is an animal that you have because of a disability. So, for example, a seeing eye dog, a dog that you have to alert people to seizures, or also an emotional support animal. These are all considered, again, working animals under the ADA, that's the Americans with Disability Act. And so therefore, a landlord can't prevent you from having one of those, and also should not be charging you a pet deposit or for pet rent for a working animal. Now, you do generally have to provide some kind of proof or evidence, certification, doctor's notes, things like that, to prove that it is, in fact, a certified working animal. But once you've done that, again, they shouldn't be charging you. So always keep an eye out for that. And I hope that answers that person's question. And again, please keep your questions coming. I'll be back with more advice.